Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll walk you through how to link your Wise account to a bank account in the Philippines using steps from the tutorial in this video. So let's get started. First, you want to open your Wise app or go to the Wise website and log into your account. Once you're in, you want to click on Recipients right here. Once you click this, you'll be prompted to enter who you're sending to. In this case, just go ahead and choose Add Recipient. So you have to choose the currency your recipient should receive, and in this case, for the Philippines, that's PHP. So scroll down and search for PHP. There we go. From here, you'll see several recipient types, and since you're linking to a bank account or to a bank, just choose the bank details. This one. Once bank details is available, from here you want to choose the recipient as you, yourself, myself, and then from here, all you have to do is just fill in your recipient's bank account information, such as bank name, account number, and the full name of the account holder. Once you're done, make sure to review everything one last time and then click continue. And there you go. You've successfully linked your Wise account to a bank in the Philippines via transfer setup. If you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more quick guides, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.